Hello, today I'm going to go over climate graphing comparison to rainforests. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at the climate of two different rainforests and see how they're similar in some ways and how they're different in other ways. Now, we have some data here that will help us make our climatograph. So for the Olympic Peninsula, I've got some information from January to December. I have the amount of rain in millimeters, and I have the temperature in Celsius. Now we're going to put both of these pieces on one graph, and I'll show you how to do that. You're also going to want two colored pencils, preferably blue and red. And the way that you make these, let me show you one that I've already got going. The way that you make these is on the left side here, we're going to put temperature, temp in Celsius. And we're going to number it from 0 to 30, skipping a number each time. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. On this side, you're putting rainfall in millimeters, and you're numbering it 0 to 300, each line is 20. So 0, 20, 40, 60. Down here for the columns, right in between, you'll notice January, February, March, April, May. And you do all of the months. And the way we graph this is first I'll look at temperature. And January, the temperature was 3 degrees Celsius. So I find January, this is my column. 3 degrees Celsius is right there. So from 3, middle of January, I put a red dot. So the red is going to be our temperature. In February, it was 4 degrees. So I go over to February, and then I go up to the 4 line, put a dot there. March, I'm doing the same thing. 5, I find March, 5 right in the middle, right there. And I'm connecting these lines. You're going to do that all the way across for the temperature. Then we're also doing rain. Now rain, January is 228 millimeters. So I go to this same January column because I'm going to put two pieces of information there, right? I've already got the temperature. Now to do the rain. Well, here's January, 228. I look on this side. Here's 220, 240, so just a little less than halfway. And I come all the way over and I say, okay, that's my mark for the amount of rain. February, I had 175. Here's my February column, 175. Well, here's 160. Here's 180. 175 is closer to the top there. So I come over, make my mark, and color in that bar for February. So this is going to give us something to look at very quickly to show us how the temperature changes throughout the year, how the rain changes throughout the year. And then you're going to do the same thing for the second one, which is the Amazon rainforest here. So Amazon rainforest, you'll have amount of rain and then temperature. And then you can compare these two, see how they're the same and how are they different. If you have any questions, let me know. Hope this helps.